you're feeling nervous and is stopping you from getting out there on the road, this video is for you. Let's eliminate those nerves and get you driving confidently. So what are you gonna expect from this video? Well, it's a brief video and I'll be sharing some effective tips and tricks to help you overcome the fear and nerves associated with driving, especially when preparing for your road test, which could be nerve-wracking. So this isn't like my usual in-depth tutorial videos. It's a quick focus guide to help you feel calm and confident behind the wheel. So let's start with number one. Start with familiar roads. So begin practicing in a quiet, familiar area. This could be your neighborhood or an empty parking space, a lot that you feel that you could do all these maneuvers and drive around and you don't have to worry about anything. Familiarity will help reduce anxiety and help you build your confidence gradually. Now, the gradual exposure is another one. Don't rush into busy highways or complicated roads. Start with short drives and gradually increase the complexity and distance as you become more comfortable. You gotta take it slow, take it easy, don't rush into anything. Now, breathing exercises. So, this is a big one for me and I feel it's very important. Practice deep breathing techniques before and during your drive. Deep breath helps calm your nervous system, reducing anxiety and helping you stay focused, right? And uplifts you and your mood and you'll just feel so much better. Try it. Now, positive visualization. Visualize yourself driving confidently and successfully. Imagine the route you'll take, the maneuvers that you'll perform, and the successful completion of your drive. This mental rehearsal can reduce the fear and build self-reassurance. So try it. Try it at least every time that you're gonna get on the road and you're feeling like stressed out. Now, use a supportive co-driver. So having a calm and experienced driver with you can provide reassurance and guidance. They can help you stay relaxed and offer advice if you encounter any tricky situation. So you won't feel like you're alone. You'll feel like you have somebody that you can rely on. Now, prepare for that road test. That road test is very nerve-wracking for many beginner drivers and those who fear driving. So what you can do is know the test route. Make yourself familiar with the test route if it's possible. Now, knowing the roads and what to expect can greatly reduce anxiety. Practice specific skills before going to the road test, like focus on the maneuvers that you find most challenging, like parallel parking, 3-point turns, and lane changes, which are the most common parts of the test that you can master. And when you practice a lot, you will get the hang of it. So, also a simulate test. So try to simulate the test conditions. Have a mock road test with your instructor or a trusted driver, like I said before, to get a feel for the actual test environment. And then that way you're more prepared for what's coming. Now, staying positive and patient. This is very important as well. Remember that everyone starts as a beginner. So be be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Each drive, no matter how short it is a step towards becoming a more confident driver. Now, professional help. So if you have this fear and it's very severe, consider seeking help from a driving instructor who specializes in nervous drivers, or a therapist who can help you manage anxiety more. This is for those that have a severe fear of driving and feel like no matter what, they cannot do it. So with that being said, I know this was a short video, but I do hope that these little small short tips help you feel more confident and less anxious about driving. Remember, practice and patience are the key. If you found this mini tutorial helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel, leave your feedback in the comments, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and happy driving!